mini Frugal chef. Today we'll be making homemade fruit roll-ups. I know this is insane, but so easy and so healthy and so delicious, and it's great as a snack. So let's get started. So today I'll be making two flavored fruit roll-ups. Now you can mix any fruit you'd like, but today we're gonna make strawberry and blueberry fruit roll-ups. So what you're gonna need is about a cup of fresh and clean blueberries, a spoon of honey, just like this, and you're just gonna add it. Now, to chop this up, we're gonna add just a teeny tiny bit of water, just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this till it's all blended in. Our blueberries are all blended and ready. So this is how they should look like. And there shouldn't be any chunks in your blueberries. Now let's go ahead and blend our strawberries. We're gonna do the exact same thing as we did before with the blueberries, but just with the strawberries. Now we're gonna get about a cup of strawberries, and before you put it in your blender, you're gonna take off the little stem. So you're gonna take off the stems and you can add it fully in, or you can cut your strawberries. But I'm just adding them like this because it's easy and it still works. So I'll see you when all my stems are off and my strawberries are ready to go. We're just gonna add a little bit of honey, just like before. And then we're gonna add a little tiny bit of water. Now, if you don't prefer to use honey, you can use sugar, white sugar, brown sugar. Now, I just really like honey because it's healthy and it does the same exact thing as the sugar. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend our strawberries just like we did with our blueberries. We're gonna get a pan, a baking pan, and now I prefer a pan that has these borders so that your mixture doesn't fall off. But on top of your pan, we're gonna put a silicone baking mat. And this is just so that your fruit roll-ups don't stick to your pan. We are gonna add the blueberries here, and we're just gonna make a circle, a little circle, oval, what you wanna call it. And we're gonna just spread it in your mat, just like this, into all the borders. Everywhere, we're just gonna spread it. Okay, now our two mixtures are all spread on our pan, and now to make it even fancier and funner, we can just make little swirls like this. Now we're just gonna add it into the oven for 3 hours at temperatures 180. So let's go and head it into the oven. This is how my fruit roll-ups turned out. They have been in the oven for 3 hours and they have cooled down for 12 hours. I now cut my fruit roll-ups with clean kitchen scissors, and this is how they turned out. I rolled them into a little swirl, but you can do whatever you want with them. And this is how they are when you stretch them, and they look amazing. So now I'll bite into the middle so we can taste both flavors at once. Delicious like always. They're amazing and they melt in your mouth even before you bite them. These are great fruit roll-ups and they're totally healthy. I really recommend them to you if you want to have a healthy snack and delicious snack and a fun thing to make. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it, and you know what I also appreciate? If you could subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you like this recipe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Now, wanna know a secret? If you want a fruit roll-up party, make sure to follow this recipe so you can have a fruit roll-up party without your parents saying, it's too much sugar, it's too much sugar. And it's healthy and delicious. So make sure to check this recipe out if you want to have a fruit roll-up party. Bye guys!